Choosing what to study and where is a big decision, and that's why an open day is the best way to find what's right for you. There's so much to see, consider, and get excited about when you visit our Newport campus. Here are a few tips to make the most of your day. 1. Plan ahead. There's a lot happening. Subject sessions, talks, and tours. Check out your programme ahead of time and pick out what matters most to you. 2. Get in on the action. Once you're here, take part in as many activities as you can. It's the best way to get a real feel of your future and see the facilities come to life. 3. Ask questions. We are a friendly bunch. Talk to our lecturers or speak to our students to hear their perspective. There will also be lots of advice on campus. Look for our information stands to speak directly to our student support services. It can help to prepare a list of questions. 4. Explore. Whilst you're here, take a campus tour and get a feel for student life in Newport. USW have got loads of clubs, societies and sports teams. There's something for everyone. If you're looking for your home away from home, make sure you check out the accommodation too. And if you need a little pick-me-up, don't forget to grab a free Welsh cake and a cuppa. 5. Capture your experience. Take pictures, make notes, and record your highlights. When it comes to choosing where to study, those small details will help you picture where you'll thrive. Now you've got the tips and know what to expect. You're all set to make the most of your visit. We can't wait to see you at the Newport campus.